up to get there. It's 8:14, and the little meet doesn't start till like 10. So, I mean, Hoonigans posted it, so let's see how crowded it is already. But I'll show you guys everything that pulls up right now once I get there. Alright guys, there's already a bunch of cars showing up and hasn't even started yet, so I'll keep you guys posted. I'll probably pull out the drone later once it's full, like a bunch of cars are pulling up, but it's gonna be dope. This shit is packed and there's still cars just coming in. The line hasn't stopped and it's pretty much filled all inside and all the outside's already packed too. So. And it just hit 10 o'clock like a couple minutes ago. This thing's insane. Shit is so packed, there's no room for anybody to park. Alright players, so heading out to that Cars and Coffee in Gardena. I'll show you more when we get there. Just me and Guido today. What's up, playa?
What's up, G? How are you?
What's going on? Finally, the Mercury's out.
You got out the house.
You guys, so we made it out to the Cars and Coffee. Everybody's showing up right now. Pretty much starting around this time, like 7. And it's getting pretty nice out here. Some other types of cars. I mean, there's normally a bunch of different varieties of cars here. I mean, look, there's a early 2000s Firebird. There's Corvettes, old muscle cars, Porsches, and a bunch of other different stuff. So as it fills out, I'll start checking out more and showing you guys what came.